everyone, in this video I'm going to explain why a high BSR isn't bad by default. And the best way to explain this is to demonstrate by example. Now I'm going to stick to the broad strokes, but I do think it will make things perfectly clear. So I found this travel kit at Nordstrom Rack, and you can buy this for $9.66 if you include the cashback and discounted gift cards. Now when we have a look at the Amazon listing, so where we can actually sell the product, you'll see that we can sell it for $33.75. Now with the aforementioned price of $9.66 and FBA fees of around $8.95, you can flip this item at a 45% margin, which translates to about $15 in profit. There is, however, one catch. The BSR is insanely high. So let us scroll down so you can see it for yourself as well. Okay, where are you? Right here. Right, so that's a really high BSR, 700K. Right, so with this BSR, you probably sell about 5 times each month or something, maybe 4. Okay, and if we scroll up, right, so we have 5 variations. So in theory, you could sell this once a month, right? So now let us have a look at the product with a good BSR. So let us go to another product I've opened at the moment. Okay, pair of flip-flops. And let's scroll down. See, so this item has a BSR of 43,000 and something, right? So in the same category, I believe. So see, clothing, shoes, and jewelry. Clothing, shoes, and jewelry. However, this is a high BSR, very high, sells only 5 times a month. This has a better BSR and sells about 324 times each month. Now I'm going to check the margin here. Let me open the sheet. Okay, so this item has a margin of about 28% and an $18 profit. Nothing wrong with it, right? However, this item, so let me scroll back to the other high BSR product. This item only has 5 variations. One size, 5 colors. This one, however, has 5 color variations, and let me check, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 14 size variations, so that's 70 variations in total, right? Yeah, that's correct. 70. Now if you divide 324 by 70, you have about 4 or 5 sales each month for each specific variation, right? So even though this number is much lower, see, than this number, scroll down and see, I mean, not rocket science really. Essentially, this item isn't much worse than the item with the lower BSR, right? So obviously, you need to do a lot more to basically determine if you're going to buy this item or this item. Very rudimentary, this analysis. But I do think it makes the point clear why BSR in itself doesn't really matter that much. It's a good initial indicator, definitely, but I wouldn't, it's not like a holy rule or something. It's not one of the commandments, right? So now, even though I might be in danger of becoming too salesy, if you really want to know how to find and analyze products properly, then please head over to our website, oaleads.com, and have a look at our course. Right? Now, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe as it will help grow our channel. See you next time.